Hey guys, quick little tutorial here. Just something I haven't really seen much of out there, and I remember I actually had an issue with this in the past, and I was able to solve it. And I just kind of wanted to share it with you guys. Right now, I was about to design this UI for a bowling game that I'm creating, and right before I started fixing the problem, I was like, wait a minute, maybe I should make a video. So hopefully this video is helpful to you, and if it does, definitely drop a like or leave a comment, subscribe, whatever. But basically, what I'm doing here is I'm making this login or sign up, window here for people to sign up when they first load the application or load the game. And I downloaded this nice little asset here. Definitely props to these guys who made it. I believe it's yeah, Layer Lab. It's GUI kit mono round. It's a pretty nice asset. But right now I just created a login underscore background UI, and what I'm doing is I'm trying to create the round background, the white background you see right here. That's what I'm trying to create. And right here is um, the the image, the sprite for that background. As you can see here, when I put it in, this is what I get to deal with, and I've been kind of just resizing it. The original size is like this, and then I've just kind of been resizing it. And when I resize it, this is what happens. You see that it just kind of comes out, and it doesn't look that great. The square one, because they give you two options, right? Round or square. Um, Also doesn't look that. I mean, it looks great. It looks better, but you can see there's tons of space between the actual outline and the image that's being displayed itself. Just kind of want to show you guys how to really just fix this, because this does get quite annoying. So let's get right into that right now. First thing is you click on the image or PNG image that you're trying to modify. Definitely make sure your image is set to the Sprite 2D and UI. Then you should see this button here for Edit Sprite, right? Click on the Edit Sprite. This window should pop up. But in case this window doesn't pop up, I do want to show this for you guys that have that issue. If the window doesn't pop up, then you need to make sure that you go to your package manager, as I clicked here, window, package manager, and find this package here that says 2D Sprite. You can always just search 2D and it pops up. Once it pops up, make sure you, down at the bottom here, you hit install, guys. And that's if you don't get to this window. You need to make sure that's installed. All right, so once that's installed, if you look closely here, there are these three, or I'm sorry, there's actually four green little arrows. What you want to do is just create the middle. What you want to do is use this to create the middle of the actual window. Okay, so see, I'm leaving these as the round edges, and this is the middle. So when I expand it, I want that to expand and the edges to constantly be this round. So I'm actually gonna make it nice and round. So I want to catch on this line where it starts to curve, and this line where it also starts to curve. So everything here is straight. This looks like it does need to come in a little bit more. And then this one a little down. Sometimes I'm sick of this. Like, someone tell me, because I don't know how to get rid of this box, because sometimes it's oh, okay, it gets annoying. And yeah, it's back. So let's see, and then this one I think just need to come in a little bit more here. And then that's it. Once you have that lined up the way you want to, the way it's, it's nice and steady. So this middle part is your center, and what you're saying is that these are your corners and these are extendable as well. After that's all set up, you hit apply. Boom, hit apply, and then that's it. You can go back to Unity, and let's see, with that applied, you see I just had to kind of like drag it back in there, and it kind of like refreshed itself. So now I can create a much better window, and it will, see that it will kind of just stretch appropriately. And I think that, you know, that's gonna look a lot better. It's gonna look a lot better once I start creating this window right here. So probably a little bit bigger. Yeah, I think that's good. Let's just compare, right? So yeah, guys. Yeah, that was great. All right, guys, that's it. Just kind of want to show that to you in case you had the issue I had like about a year ago, and I was able to fix it. And like I said before, like when I was looking for like the solution, I wasn't able to find the solution, and so I want to make sure that, hey, since I already know how to do it, in case there's someone else out there with that issue, this is how you fix it. Hopefully, it was helpful to you, and you guys stay safe.